2003 Toyota Corolla, or any years close to that within this time period of when they were making these cars, and your oil light comes on, that's that little light that has the oil dispenser on. So make it real quick here on this video, show you where it's at. This is the front. I'm gonna go right over here with the camera so I can show it to you. That's it right there. It's just a clip. You push the clip in, you get it out. So it's on the left of the starter, or right under the starter, I should say. Okay, so right there. All right, I hope this helps out. This is what the old one looks like.